I'm walking around the Wharf Night Market here in Fisherman's Village, and this place is getting really busy again. As you can see behind me, it's packed full of people on a Friday night. So I'm just going to be showing you around the night market tonight. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.
You want some more of this? Carrying like a lantern.
So as you can see, Fisherman's Village is really coming back to life. There are a lot of people here, and it is busy and thriving. So I'm just going to be showing you around the main stretch through Fisherman's Village. All the shops are open, and it feels really good to see people coming back to Samui again. Very encouraging. They're all buying goods and products, which is good for the economy. This is what happens when you fully open the borders with no restrictions. Lots of people start coming back, so really good news. Look at this shop right here. What is he selling? That's pretty cool. And of course, the restaurants are also packed. This place has been empty for a long time, and now you're gonna have trouble finding a seat here. Look, inside too. It's packed full. Let's keep walking, exploring a little bit. Here's one of the most colorful ATMs on the island right here. It's all painted like funky colors. Pretty cool. Lots of taxis. Here comes one now. So if you need a ride back home to your place, you can just take one of those taxis or a songtao. This is the Eden Bungalows, kind of a popular little hangout spot here in Fisherman's Village. Also busy, got some people playing pool, hanging out at the bar. This guy sells suits for a living. Hello? And this place right here is the Shack, which is it's famous on the island. They cook up really good steaks, tacos, you name it. Everything right here. He's cooking up a steak right now. Smells delicious. Let's keep walking. Here's a tattoo parlor. It's actually the very first bar that I came to when I arrived in Samui about 2 years ago. Frog and Gecko right here. This place is great. And very busy tonight. Yes. Sure. I got it. keep walking along. Here's the Link restaurant. This place is really nice. A little bit expensive, but if you're on no budget, go for it. Here's the Change Real Estate office, owned by a couple of friends of mine here on the island. They're back in Las Vegas right now, but this is their office, so you can buy real estate on the island right here. And here's a little Indian restaurant. As you can see, full. Everybody enjoying a nice meal. This place is new. It's an Italian fish bar. Hello. All right. Motorbike's up. Coming through here fast. Of course, Coco Tams is an institution in Koh Samui. This place is famous around the island, and it is packed full tonight, I should say. I think you might even have to wait in line to get in, which is unusual. But yeah, Koh Samui is definitely coming back to life again. Excellent news. They usually have fire shows on the weekend as well. Great place to come, nice party environment here. Must be the money. Let's keep walking. Here comes my girlfriend Mary. Mary, say hi. Okay, now we're walking through the night market. This is where you can come to buy pretty much anything imaginable. And as you can see, it is packed full tonight. This goes to the wharf, where you can buy cocktails, food. They have live music. Sorry, up. Let's keep walking. Oh. For a long time, this place was completely empty. There's nobody around here, but now it's a completely different situation, which is not only good for the island, but also for the economy in Thailand. And it also reduces loneliness. Oh, we're almost to the wharf now, which is straight up ahead. Okay. See if I can squeeze through here. Okay, here we go. Bye.